Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel.
How are you today? Today I am here with Maya, and today we are going to talk about at the airport in English, easy travel words for beginners.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Happy, I'm so excited for today's topic, Maya.
Travel is so much fun.
Traveling is amazing, but airports can be a little scary for beginners.
That is very true.
There are many signs, many people, and a lot of English words.
Exactly. So today we will make it very easy for our listeners.
Maya, do you like going to the airport?
I love the feeling of going to a new place. What about you, Leo?
Playful, I love it too, but I always get a little nervous about long lines.
Oh, I understand. Everyone worries about lines and times at the airport.
Let's start from the very beginning.
You arrive at the airport. What is the first place you go to?
The first place you look for is the check-in desk.
Check-in desk. That is an important word. Let's spell it out loud. C-H-E-C-K.
And then desk D-E-S-K. The check-in desk.
What do you do at the check-in desk, Maya?
You show your ticket and your passport. And you give them your big bags.
Oh, yes.
Big bags. In English, we have a special word for bags.
Yes, we call it luggage or baggage.
Luggage.
Let's practice that word. Luggage.
Slow or baggage. Both words mean the same thing.
That is a useful explanation.
So if I have a big suitcase, that is my luggage.
That is your checked luggage because the airport takes it.
Checked luggage.
That means I don't carry it on the plane with me?
They put it under the plane. You see it again when you arrive at your destination.
Wow, that is good to know.
What about the small bag I carry with me?
We call that carry-on luggage. Or just a carry-on bag.
Slow carry-on.
Like the words carry and on put together.
Yes, because you carry it on the airplane with you.
Happy, that makes a lot of sense. Let's give an example sentence for our listeners.
Great idea. You can say, I have one checked luggage and one carry-on bag.
Let's repeat that slowly for everyone. I have one checked luggage and one carry-on bag.
Perfect. Listeners, what about you? How many bags do you usually travel with? Please write your answer in the comments.
Yes, we love reading your comments.
Now, Maya, after we give our luggage, the person at the desk gives us a piece of paper.
Yes, that paper is very, very important.
It is called a boarding pass.
Boarding pass.
Pass, P-A-S-S.
Without a boarding pass, you cannot go inside the airplane.
Oh, really? So it is like a special ticket?
Yes, it has your name, your flight number, and your seat number on it.
Flight number? What is that?
Every airplane trip has a number. For example, 123. That is the flight number.
I see. It helps us find the right plane.
Exactly. It also shows the gate number.
Slow gate. G-A-T-E. What is a gate at the airport?
The gate is the specific door or area where you wait to get on the plane.
So the airport is like a big house with many doors, and each door is a gate.
That is a very good way to think about it, Leo.
Thank you. Now let's look at the verbs here.
When we talk about getting on the plane, we use the verb to board.
Yes, to board the plane. It means to walk inside the plane.
Is board a regular verb or an irregular verb, Maya?
Happy, it is a regular verb. So in the past, we just add ed. Boarded.
Yesterday, I boarded the plane at 4 p.m.
Excellent example, Leo. You are a great student.
I try my best. Now let's move to the next step. After the check-in desk, where do we go?
Oh, this is the part that makes people nervous. It is security.
Slow security.
At security, police or officers check you and your carry-on bags to make sure everyone is safe.
Right. We have to put our bags in small plastic boxes. What do we call those boxes?
We call them bins or trays. B-I-N-S.
Binds.
And we have to take off some things, right? Like jackets and shoes?
Yes.
The officer might say, "Slow, please take off your jacket and shoes."
Take off is a phrasal verb.
It means to remove clothes from your body.
Yes. Let's give another example for take off.
Please take off your hat before you walk inside.
Very clear. They also ask you to take out your laptop or computer.
Slow take out. That means to move something from the inside to the outside of your bag.
Happy correct.
For example, take out your laptop and put it in the bin.
That is a very useful sentence.
Many officers say it every single day.
Yes.
If you hear it, don't worry. Just follow the rules and it is very fast.
Sometimes there is a long line at security.
What can we say if we want to ask someone about the line?
You can ask, "Slow, is this the line for security?"
Is this the line for security? That is simple and polite.
Yes.
And people will answer yes or no.
Perfect. If you are enjoying this conversation and finding these words helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
Happy yes, please subscribe. It helps us make more videos for you.
We finished security.
We have our bags again. Now we are inside the main airport area.
What is there to do?
Excited now you can relax a bit. There are many shops and restaurants.
Oh, I love the shops at the airport.
They have a special name, right?
Yes, they are called duty-free shops.
Duty-free. D-U-T-Y.
Free, F-R-E-E.
What does duty-free mean?
It means you do not pay local taxes on the items you buy there.
Wow, that sounds great. So things are cheaper?
Sometimes yes, especially perfume, chocolates, and gifts.
I always buy chocolate before a flight.
Me too, Leo.
It is a nice travel tradition.
But we must watch the big screens on the walls. What are those screens called?
They are flight information screens. They show the status of every flight.
Slow status. S-T-A-T-U-S.
That means the situation of the flight right now.
Yes.
There are 3 main words you need to look for on the screen.
Okay, let's learn them.
What is the first one?
The first one is on time. This means the plane will leave at the correct time.
Happy on time is the best message to see.
Yes.
The second word is not so good. It is delayed.
Delayed.
What does delayed mean, Maya?
It means the plane is late. It will leave later than the original time.
Oh, that is sad. For example, if my flight is at 5 p.m., but it is delayed, it might leave at 6 p.m.
Exactly. It happens sometimes because of bad weather or technical problems.
What is the third word we might see?
The third one is the worst. It is cancelled.
Cancelled means the plane will not fly at all today?
Yes. The flight is stopped completely.
If that happens, you need to go speak to the airline staff.
Yes, you must go to the customer service desk.
Let's practice a question for that situation.
My flight is canceled. Can you help me, please?
That is perfect. It is very polite. Let's say it one more time.
My flight is canceled.
Can you help me, please?
Excellent. The staff will help you find a new flight.
Okay, let's look for a happy message.
Another message on the screen is boarding.
Boarding means the plane is ready and people are getting on the plane right now.
When you see boarding, you must walk quickly to your gate.
Yes, do not walk slowly. Run if you need to.
Yes, you don't want to miss the plane.
To miss the plane means to arrive too late and the plane leaves without you.
That is a very bad feeling. I missed a plane once in my life.
Wow, really?
What happened?
I was reading a book and did not hear the announcement. The plane left.
That sounds terrible. So, a good pronunciation tip for our listeners. Listen carefully to the airport announcements.
Yes, they always start with a sound like ding-dong, and then a voice speaks in English.
They might say, slow last call for flight A123 to New York.
Last call. That means it is your final chance to get on the plane.
So if you hear your flight number and last call, you must run to the gate immediately.
Exactly. Now, let's pretend we arrived at the gate on time.
Good. We are at the gate. There is a gate agent.
That is the worker at the gate.
The gate agent will check your boarding pass and passport one more time.
And then we walk down the long tunnel to the airplane.
Yes. Once you are on the airplane, a flight attendant welcomes you.
FLIGHT.
They are the wonderful people who help you inside the plane. They give you food and keep you safe.
They will help you find your seat.
There are two main types of seats on a plane, right, Maya?
Yes. There is the window seat and the aisle seat.
Slow window seat is next to the window, so you can look outside.
And the aisle seat is next to the walking path. Aisle is spelled A-I-S-L-E, but the letter S is silent.
Oh, that is a great pronunciation tip. The S is silent. We say it like aisle, aisle seat.
Yes, aisle seat. Do not say aisle with an S sound.
Let's give an example sentence.
I prefer the window seat because I like to see the clouds.
And I can say, slow, I prefer the aisle seat because it is easy to stand up.
Listeners, what about you?
Do you prefer the window seat or the aisle seat? Let us know in the comments below.
Now let's talk about the verbs when the plane moves. When the plane leaves the ground and goes up, what do we say?
We use the phrasal verb to take off.
Wait, Leo, we used take off before for clothes.
English can be funny. Take off means to remove clothes, but for an airplane, take off means to leave the ground and fly.
That is true. It has two completely different meanings.
Let's look at the past tense.
The past tense of take is took. It is an irregular verb.
So we say, slow, the plane took off at 6 p.m.
Very nice.
And what about when the plane comes down to the ground at the end of the trip? Is land a regular verb?
Yes, it is.
The past tense is landed.
For example, slow, our plane landed safely in London.
Beautiful sentence. Now the plane has landed. We are in a new country or city. What happens next?
We walk off the plane and follow the signs for baggage claim.
CLAIM. This is the area with the moving machines where you collect your big bags.
Those moving machines look like big belts.
We call them luggage carousel or baggage belts.
You wait there, you see your suitcase, and you take it.
What if your suitcase does not arrive?
What if it is lost?
Oh, that is terrible, but it happens. You must go to the lost and found desk.
Slow, lost, and found.
You can tell them, my luggage did not arrive.
They will ask you to describe your bag. For example, it is a big red suitcase.
That is simple and easy to say.
After you get your luggage, the final step is to go through customs.
Customs.
This is where officers check if you are bringing illegal things into the country.
Usually, if you have nothing to declare, you just walk through the green exit.
Slow, nothing to declare. That means you are not carrying anything extra or dangerous that needs tax.
Yes. And then you are officially out of the airport. You can start your vacation.
We walked through the whole airport experience today in English.
Yes, we learned so many great words. Let's do a quick review for our beginner friends.
Great idea. I will say the word and you give a short definition, Maya.
I am ready.
Word number 1, passport.
An official book that proves who you are when you travel to another country.
Word number 2, boarding pass.
The special paper ticket that lets you get on the plane.
Word number 3, carry-on bag.
The small bag you take with you inside the airplane cabin.
Word number 4, delayed.
When the plane is late and will leave after the scheduled time.
And word number 5, gate.
The specific area or door where you wait to board your flight. Happy we did it. Those are the most important words for anyone traveling by plane.
You explained them so well, Maya.
Thank you.
Thank you, Leo.
This was very educational.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you, everyone, for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.